everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 19th to the 23rd of September 2022 on Monday. Mabuyase makes a tactic roval. Sonto has a daring new haste in mind. Ntokozo embarrasses Sonto or ladies in front of the teachers on Tuesday. Sonto and her gangs plan to attend the speech contest. Teddy is at odds with his station manager when an unlikely opportunity comes by on Wednesday. Bongani find himself in the crossfire of Sonto's operation. Elena from Gomora High wins the debate contest on Thursday. Sizwe goes to see Sonto at night, but finding Nkosinathi there, I wonder what is he doing in Sonto's house. Teddy and Ntokozo are determined to make money and encourage each other on Friday. Detective Nabe get closer to finding Gomora's high culprit. Mazet and Zibugo fight over Nyaleng's kidney. Sizwe has a surprising proposition for Ntokozo. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.